when she went on Kelly Clarkson's show. She actually hadn't ever met John Cena, but they set up a very wonderful surprise where John Cena popped up from the back when she was performing, and my goodness, what a heartwarming moment it was. I just loved that moment. It meant so much to her. You should check out the video sometime if you have time, okay? You'll love that very moment. Great song from Show Machozi. It's called John Cena. But let's get on to drive time with insurance. And today I'm taking you over to my friends at Loyalty Insurance Company Limited. Are you loyal to Loyalty? Well, the team at Loyalty are here, and they're loyal to you, no doubt. We get to understand motor insurance policies. We've looked at it in various ways, but today there are different types of motor insurance policies. Our very good friend, head of technical operations at Loyalty Insurance Company Limited, Mr. William Larbi Ampofo, is going to give us all the details. Mr. Ampofo, welcome. How are you doing?
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for coming by and coming to tell us about motor insurance policies.
Yes.
I know Loyalty has very amazing packages when it comes to motor insurance, right?
Sure.
And I'm sure when we're done, you can tell us all about it.
Oh, yeah.
But for starters, I mean, by law, all vehicles are to be insured, right?
Yes.
One would notice lots of cars on our roads, and the assumption is that all of these cars have insurance. Is that observation correct?
First of all, I want to bring greetings from Loyalty Insurance to your cherished listeners. The point is that apart from the security vehicles and some of the government vehicles, all other vehicles are supposed to be insured. But as we speak now, there are about 500 vehicles plying our roads that do not have insurance.
Wow.
The reason is that the DVLA would license about 1,600 vehicles, but then the stickers that are being issued, that the insurance, per our record, the insurance we have is about 1,001. So it means that the vehicles that ply our roads, about 500 of them, do not have insurance. That's a fact. They do not have insurance.
If you are listening now, are you one of those driving the 500, one of the 500 vehicles? By law, your car should be insured,
Sure.
except it's a government vehicle.
Yes, government vehicles, and those vehicles,
security?
the security, and those vehicles that the president would say that, well, they should not be insured.
Okay. Now, these vehicles plying our roads don't have the same type of insurance cover.
Yes.
Is that it?
Yes.
So, what are the types of motor insurance policies we have? What are the differences? Can you just let us understand these types that we have?
Okay, we have three types of motor insurance policies. We have the third party only, we have the third party fire and theft, and then we have the comprehensive.
So there are three types.
Yes.
There's the comprehensive, there's the third party only, and third party fire and theft.
Now, with the third party only, what it takes care of is the legal liability of the insured to third parties. It means that you have your vehicle, right? You are driving your vehicle. The law does not really care about you, your vehicle, but then your legal liability to third parties.
That's all it cares about.
The third party. That's for the third party only. The third parties.
But the law to why?
Yes, it's concerned about you. You have your vehicle, right?
So they shouldn't be concerned about me, but other people there are concerned.
You
about
you have your vehicle, right? You have your vehicle.
Uh-huh.
So the point is that the law needs to protect the innocent third parties. They've not told you to go and buy a car. So when you buy your car, they shouldn't suffer because you have your car
because
flying
you
on
have
the
a car.
road, you have a car, and then you knock them and then you just leave them. No. So the law will take care, the law will make sure that at least you have that third party only cover to take care of the legal liabilities to those third parties.
To the other people.
Yes.
So if you go and cause trouble somewhere, then we take care of other people, you go and take care of yourself.
Yes. But the point is that it's funny when other people say that, I'll only do insurance because police would want to arrest me.
Yeah.
Because when you look at the other policies, now let's move to the third party fire and theft. Now the third party fire and theft takes the first one, which is the third party only, which covers the accidental, which covers the damage to third parties, injury to third parties, and death. and then also takes care of fire and theft to your vehicle.
To your vehicle.
So now
Okay. Yeah.
your vehicle is parts.
Only fire and theft.
Yes, but at least we've done something.
Still, I don't care about me.
Well, I care about you small. I care about you small because
Okay,
now
okay.
fire and theft. In addition to
Theft of what? The car?
the car.
Okay.
Yes, in addition to the first one, the third party only. And then you come to the comprehensive one. That one, it takes care of the third party only aspect. It takes care of the fire and theft. And then takes care of accidental damage to your vehicle as a result of collision, overturning, and all accidental damage to the vehicle. That's what it's going to take care of.
Oh, okay.
So now
You are caring about
yes,
us
now
a
we
little
are
bit.
caring about you. But that one is not compulsory. Or that one, we are not saying that if you have that one, you are good to go. And that one, you are protecting your asset. You are protecting your vehicle.
Yeah.
So when somebody says that the police is only because of the police, at any point in time, you also think about your vehicle. You might have money, yes. But let's say at that point in time, because insurance comprehensive is not expensive. So at that point in time, you have a vehicle you've insured for like 200,000 cedis. You would go and customize your number plate, but you wouldn't want to buy comprehensive insurance. At least when you buy the comprehensive insurance, you know that your car is covered. The third party is also covered because there's a limit to all that. The third party is covered. So
Okay.
at least insurance, we think about you. So we provided all this for you.
Wow.
But we are saying that the minimum is the third party.
The third party. At least you should have the third party only.
Yes.
If you want to upgrade, you can have the third party fire and theft. Or you can have the comprehensive
But
insurance.
it's best to have the comprehensive.
No, I think so as well because I mean I can't imagine causing an accident and then you take care of the other people they are
Oh,
sorted
yes.
and then I have to now think about myself.
That's it.
Charlie, be some will.
Very, very.
Guys, I think everybody needs a comprehensive cover. I mean, from the explanation that Mr. Ampofo was given, I think everybody needs a comprehensive cover so that you know when there's an issue, you can sit back, relax,
And insurance will take
and
care of
insurance
everything
will
for you.
take care of everything. Okay, so at least today we've gotten to know that there are 3 types of motor insurance. Remember, by law, you're supposed to insure your car. If you're driving a car that's not insured, or you have a sticker that has expired,
That is fake.
That is fake as well, Charlie. I beg, don't listen to Joy FM if your insurance is expired. Turn off the radio. You're not supposed to listen to my voice. You if you are in a car and there's no insurance, you're not supposed to listen to Joy FM. Go and insure it. The team at Loyalty Insurance will take care of it for you. So in all of these, I've realized that anytime I buy any type of insurance, there's a common thing that runs through: the third-party property damage limit. What does that mean? Third-party property damage limit.
Okay, so third party property damage limit, as you rightly said, is your limit when there's your vehicle damages somebody's property. There's a limit to which insurance would pay.
Okay.
There's a limit. So let's say you've parked your vehicle and then somebody accidentally runs into your vehicle. Then the insurance company would pay your vehicle. That's the insurance company of the one who caused
ran
the
into
damage.
it, yeah.
Yes, they would pay up to a limit. Now the limit is 5,000. They will pay up to 5,000. You can increase the limit at a premium.
Okay.
You can increase the limit and then we'll charge you a premium. But for now, it's 5,000. So it means that
It's a flat rate across all insurance
yes,
companies.
yes, it's 5,000.
But it is negotiable. Or
No, you can increase.
You can increase
yes,
it.
so
Okay.
let's say you can increase it to 10,000, 20,000. Because let's say if you have the 5,000
Uh-huh.
and it damages somebody's Range Rover,
Yeah.
the lights alone, how much is it?
The angel that it only buy the battery of the car.
Thank you. So the lights alone. So it's advisable that okay, you increase the limit because when you damage the person's car, then the insurance company will come in and they'll take care of that for you. So that's the third
But
party.
how come a lot of the
property damage limit.
companies don't discuss this limit, third party property damage limit with clients? Because I feel that we need to have the conversation, because some people will just buy the insurance and then there's an issue, they come and then they say, okay, well, you're supposed to get only 5,000.
Yes, we do, and that is why I believe we are also having this kind of conversation, so that other people, your discerning listeners, will get to know that this is what is happening. But we do, when you come to our end like this, we explain to you that this is it. At times, somebody will just come and buy the vehicle, come and buy the insurance, and tell the person that, okay, the limit is 5,000. If you want to increase it, some of them, oh, nothing will happen, let me just go, nothing will happen.
Yeah.
But then it's best you explain to the person that this is it. So we do explain.
Because like you rightly said, if you cause damage to somebody and then the damage is worth probably 20,000, what do you do? Insurance company pays 5,000 and then you go find the 15,000?
Yes. And we have a number of cases where the damage it's more than the 5,000,
yeah.
and they will pay 5,000, and then the rest somebody will say you're on your own.
But it's not with comprehensive, is it?
No, comprehensive, as you said, it runs through. So comprehensive, third party, and all those things. The third party property damage limit is the same. Now, the comprehensive we are talking about, your car, the
Doesn't
limit,
have a limit.
Your car, the limit is the sum insured you gave us.
Okay.
Now, the third party, the limits would be the 5,000 I'm talking about right now.
Okay, I get it. Good stuff. Anyway, it's great you explained all of this, Mr. Ampofo. Finally, if you can tell us a little bit about Loyalty Insurance Company Limited.
Yes, Loyalty Insurance is one very good, promising insurance, and I can see that it's one of the good things that has happened to the insurance industry. Understand? We underwrite all the policies, the non-life policies that you know, and then what we do is that we have, when it comes to capacity, in terms of financial capacity, our parent company is Frames Oil, so at least you know that when it comes to Frames Oil, the money is there, so we don't have a problem.
In other words, you get money.
Sharp.
So claims are not an issue at all.
We don't have a problem at all.
Awesome. Good stuff.
That is Loyalty Insurance.
Well, if you want to get a motor insurance policy, you might want to speak to the team at Loyalty Insurance Company Limited. I love the name, Loyalty. Any client will definitely be a loyal partner, as always. Thank you so much. Mr. William Larbi Ampofo is Head of Technical Operations at Loyalty Insurance. Great spending time with you, my brother. Thank you so much for updating us. Stay tuned in to Joy 99.7 FM. Our Drive Time with the Insurance is proudly brought to you by the Ghana Insurance Association. And if you have any issues, you want clarity on any of the other issues, you can actually call our Complaints Management and Advice Bureau on 0800 442 2000. Insurance companies, claims payment, our business.
Joy 99.7.